Hello everyone! Today we are proud to present our home city, Tiznit, nicknamed the Silver Capital for its traditional Amazigh jewellery. Tiznit is a charming city situated in the southwestern part of Morocco's Souss-Massa region. It was established in 1881 by Sultan Hassan I, who built a 7.5 kilometers rampart that encircled the city. It's an Amazigh city known for its authentic atmosphere, traditional handicrafts, and bustling souks. The old city is surrounded by 8-meter high walls with 56 towers and 5 historic gates, including Babaglu, famous for specialized high quality silver jewelry with a souk dedicated to these crafts. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into our city and we look forward to sharing more of our culture with you.